back to Darrice's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty to lifestyle. And as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be solely all about 5 items that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree on a ketogenic diet. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and kind of run through the items here. As you can see, I have a different background today because, I don't know, I kind of just wanted to switch it up for y'all just a little bit. And, you know, and plus I have some good lighting in this room that I'm in today. So I'm like, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just take full advantage of that. But, of course, I am going to go ahead and run through these items. Now, disclaimer, you guys already know I have to do a disclaimer. These items are optional, totally optional. I'm not saying that you have to have these items to do keto or anything like that. If you don't like the Dollar Tree or, you know, would prefer to get other things, I'm just letting you guys know that you have the option of getting these items from the Dollar Tree. So let me get that out the way. I am not a superfood snob. I know some people really are food snobs. I mean, that's what I like to call them. And, you know, they're real particular about where they purchase certain things from. So I'm not like that. So if you are trying to stay bougie on a budget in every aspect of your life, then, you know, of course, I'm letting you know that you can also do that with food too, because food can get real pricey. So before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and say, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, which is down below. If you have not hit the notification bell yet, make sure you go ahead and do that, because you don't want to miss when I'm uploading these videos. And of course, make sure you guys comment, share, hit that thumbs up button and all that good stuff. And follow me on all my socials, which are also linked down below. So let's go ahead and get into the items that I got from the Dollar Tree. So first item that I have made reference to before, and if you've watched my Vlogmas grocery haul video, you've seen this item, but I kind of just want to bring it in here again, just because this video is solely focused on Dollar Tree. It's this popcorn. Oh my God, this popcorn is so good, y'all. And you could eat so much of it. Now, it can be a little high in carbs if you're not careful, but you can get 3 cups for 11 grams of carbs, which is, it's a little high, but if you only do 2 cups, I mean, that's only 9. And when I tell you, like, 2 cups is a nice amount of popcorn, I mean, it's a satisfying snack. So, I mean, I'm just saying, yeah, this is only $1. Look how big this bag is. Literally, because I do portion it out, I don't just eat it all at one time. This bag can last me for about a week. So literally, you can have a snack for about a week, especially if you're fasting. If you watch my video, I'll link that down below about fasting. This is going to be, like, you know, perfect. So $1 for a whole week for popcorn, I'll take it. So then the next item, of course, while we're talking about, you know, popcorn, I'll go ahead and just go into pork rinds, which you guys probably already know if you've researched keto. Now, I don't know if all y'all eat pork or pork rinds, but the Dollar Tree, they sell pork rinds. And these are only $1. This is, I actually have not tried this sweet mild barbecue flavor, but there is 0 grams of carbs inside of this bag of pork rinds. So you can have as much of these as you want during your window of eating if you're doing intermittent fasting. So this is going to be perfect. And this is quite a bit. I used to get bags from a Dollar Tree that I felt didn't have as much in here, or it could just be the way that it's packaged. And I think they may have changed their packaging. But this is pretty cool. You get quite a bit in here for $1. So of course you can have this, and if you maybe just want to do 1 cup of popcorn and then you can have as much pork rinds as you want, you have that option as well. But again, we're still staying on that dollar trend. You see where we're going here? You see where we're going? Okay, and then let's get into candy. So I know there's like a debate of whether or not you can have candy on keto. Some people are saying, you know, there are certain things in the sugar-free candy that may cause you to get cravings for other stuff. I don't know how true that is, because like I said, this is what I did and what I'm doing, and I still am on keto and I still am successful with it. So, I mean, if you can't have, or you don't like sugar-free tasting things and stuff like that, this may be something that you may not want to pick up. But if you do, I purchased these here, which is the sugar-free choose. Assorted toffee. So they have like a toffee flavor, vanilla, coffee, and caramel, I believe. And you get this big pack for only $1. So yeah, you definitely want to go ahead and grab you some of these. And yeah, so they said this is sweetened with Splenda. I hear Splenda's not that great. I don't know. For $1, if you got a sweet tooth, you can go ahead and grab you some of these too. And then the next item is actually out there, frozen section. So you can have berries on keto. This is a pack of the blueberries. Okay, y'all, I did open these, so sorry about that. But these are there at the Dollar Tree as well. So if you want to get you some fruit or whatnot, I definitely say you can go ahead and pick you up some of these. These have, okay, so 1 cup of these, actually, you know what? I don't know, y'all. It's saying 1 cup has 13 grams of carbs. So try to do less than a cup. I don't normally put a whole cup of blueberries inside my smoothies and stuff, but so yeah, I didn't know that it had that much in there. I guess I should have read it. I just assumed that they were just regular frozen blueberries. So this one may be a little controversial, this pack here. But I mean, if you can do half a cup, then yeah, you'll be okay on these. I mean, either way it goes, it's still less than 20. So it's really just how you portion out your carbs for that particular day. So yeah, you'll be okay with these as long as you are watching how you are portioning them. You guys get what I'm saying. Then the last item, which is probably going to be another item that some people will have something to say about. I know the keto police are out there. They may come for me on this one, but I don't know. This is one that I particularly like to indulge in, and it is the Diet Fago. Yeah, it's just diet cola. There's no sugar in here, no carbs. I know that there's a lot of chemicals and stuff that goes into diet soda, but I mean, sometimes, you can't be perfect on keto. And I have hankerings for like things to drink sometime. And no, I don't buy juice or anything like that, but I mean, I can't get this big, as you can see, this is a nice size bottle of, pop or soda. I don't know what you guys call it from where you're watching it from, but this is a big thing of soda that you can get for $1. So I mean, it's just an option. It tastes fine to me. I don't taste any difference between that and like a Diet Coke. But if you're not a person that drinks soda, I understand, but I'm just letting you know that you do have that option, at the Dollar Tree as well. So, all right, guys, that is going to conclude the video. I think I've done enough rambling on what you can get from the Dollar Tree. Sorry for all the little interruptions. I was getting some calls while I was trying to record this because I am doing this on my phone. So I apologize if it's a little glitchy, y'all. But again, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I will be having another video coming up real soon. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.